In this question, the percentage of adenine in a DNA molecule has been given and you have to find out the percentage of thymine, guanine and cytosine. Now, according to Chargaff's rule, the amount of adenine is equal to the amount of thymine and the amount of guanine is equal to the amount of cytosine in a DNA molecule. It is given that adenine is equal to 30%. Then thymine will also be 30% as A pairs with T. So the remaining 40% of the DNA molecule will be made up of guanine and cytosine. Since G pairs with C, so each of them will have 20%. Thus, the percentage of T equal to 30, G equal to 20 and C is also 20. Hence, the correct answer is option D.